whether the screen.
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So today,
Yes,
just
sir.
I'll be briefing you. Just we'll be entering into this technicals of Python, right? So yesterday, day before yesterday, we had some introductory sessions of this. If you have missed that sessions, at the end of the session, they'll forward you that video link for last two sessions, right? Fine. Python for data science. Python for data science. Okay. So why Python? Why Python used for data science and why mostly Python is preferred for implementing these data science applications means Python, first you need to know something about the Python advantages and features, right? So Python has various things. Today, not only for data science environment, Python is used. It is also used for different high-end applications, high-end environments it is used, right? So for data engineering, it is used. For data analyst, for data science, for all these environments, not only this, even for writing automation scripts in AWS and DevOps, or even write in IoT, in robotics, in all these things, Python is preferred. Python is mostly preferred language in the today's industry. And that too, the syntaxes of Python, the statements of Python looks very simple, not even one-fourth coding as compared with other programming languages. The Python statements or the Python syntaxes looks like so Python has very less coding, right, as compared with any other programming languages, not even one-fourth. And also the statements of Python looks like a normal English statements. Simple syntaxes given by Python. Simple syntaxes looks like normal English statements. And here Python, generally why people using Python means it has got multiple programming features, multi-programming features, right? Yes. It has got multi-programming features. Like it can be used as a functional programming, it can be used as a scripting for procedural oriented, object oriented, and for modular programming. This Python has got multiple programming, many what all the programming features we see in different other programming languages, all the features we see here in Python. That's why Python, any kind of applications we can develop today by using Python. And Python is an interpreted language. Interpreted language, right? Interpreted language means statement by statement it executes. For example, if you take other programming language like Java or C language, if you have got some 20 lines code, entire 20 lines code will be executed at once. Entire 20 lines code executes at once. So people who are from non-programming or zero programming, if you've got any query, immediately you can ask. So keeping everybody in mind, the session will be going, right? Interpreted language means statement by statement execution, line by line execution. For each and every statement, if you want, Python is going to give you the result for it.
So what do you mean by line execution?
Line by line for 1 second. Just observe here. Just understand here, if we talk about other programming languages like C or Java language as compared with the Python language, right? So these are compilation languages, compiled. Okay, otherwise, 1 second. We have got two categories like compilation languages are there, interpretation languages are there. Compilation, interpretation. In the case of compilation, C language, C++. In case of interpretation, Python, you can say. If you see, what do you mean by interpretation? Here, if you have got some lines of code, here you have got lines of code, right? Entire code executes at once. Entire code, if you just execute it, entire code executes at once and displays the errors if you got any. If you got any errors, right? Okay, you got 4 errors, it will display the errors here. But here in case of Python, interpretation means line by line execution. Line by line execution means it won't execute the entire code. Statement by statement, it will execute. Statement by statement. If you get error in this particular line, it won't execute the remaining lines. In this line, if you got error, right, it won't execute the remaining lines. It will stop the execution itself, statement by statement. But here, entire statement will execute and displays the errors if you got. So here, interpretation line by line, line by line, line by line. If any error here, then remaining statements won't be executed, right? This is what interpretation is.
I got it. Thank you.
And multiple programming features, right? All the features like object oriented, functional features, scripting features, modular programming features, right? Python, many built-in libraries it has got, many built-in libraries. Many built-in libraries like thousands of modules, like 89,300 modules it has got for different environments. Means it has providing modules for data science for all these environments like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, CP, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, right? Many modules provided. Python is providing modules for data science environment, not only for data science, for other environments, for big data, and for this big data like PySpark. It's a package given by Python for every environment, for big data, for graphics, for networking, for desktop applications, for embedded applications, for all the other testing, for scheduling, for all the different thousands of modules it is providing for various environments. In that we have got some modules related to data science. It is providing some powerful modules, powerful libraries given by Python for data science. Like we say, like NumPy, numerical Python, Pandas for data analysis, for plottings, visualizations, right? Python is giving multiple modules. That's why Python is preferred here.
Even Python can use for graphics, sir.
Yes. Yes, for
Okay.
GUI, for graphical user interface, for animations, like it is providing models like TK Inter module, PyQt are the models provided for it.
Okay.
And generally, okay, we call it as a platform, platform independent, platform independent or machine independent. Machine independent, we say. Means it can run on any hardware and any operating system. Platform independent, it's machine independent, right? Yes. So it is a
Sir, one question. Any example of platform dependent language?
yes, sir. See, we have got okay. Python is a high level language. Python is a high level language, we say. Yeah. So even we have got some low level languages are there. See, high level languages and Python is a high level language. Low level languages means like assembly level language, binary language, machine level language, we say. Machine level language, right? These languages are platform dependent. This machine level language or binary language, right? They are not understandable. They are not even understandable. This high level language or Python are understandable, and this machine level language they are not understandable, and also they cannot be executed in all the hardwares and all the operating systems. So platform dependent languages, they cannot run on all the hardwares and all the operating systems. Machine level language, assembly level languages, right? And that too, they are even not understandable, human understandable. But this high level language.
MS-DOS, Vijay, MS-DOS is low level. Can consider.
So here,
100%.
assembly level or machine level, binary level languages, we say binary language. So MS-DOS you cannot say.
Okay. It's a binary code.
So binary, which has got zeros and ones, machine level. Generally, whatever code, please can you allow us for 1 week of them? Okay. See here, okay, just for your general queries, I'll be giving time for you at the end of the session. Fine. See, generally, whatever Python statements you write, whatever Java statements you write, all those statements are not understandable by the system. generally they'll be internally they'll be converted into machine understandable code and is executed. So generally, understand here. I'm sorry. You have written a .py file, some .py code. It internally converts into byte code, intermediate code. This intermediate code again is converted into machine code. Generally, the computer or the system cannot understand this Python statements. It has to be converted into machine code and should be executed. So here, this byte code, right? This byte code should be converted into byte code, and this will be converted into machine code, and this will be executed. Generally, if you are writing any Python related codes, right, they can be executed, they can be run on all the hardwares and all the operating systems. They can run on all the hardwares and all the operating systems. But there will be some assembly level language we'll be using, some mnemonics we'll be using, or like machine language, like binary codes will be used that you cannot understand, right? Those statements, those languages, right? You cannot run on all. There are some languages we say like assembly level. These languages are machine specific. They can run only in that particular machine. They cannot run on all the operating systems. But Python is such a language where it can run on any operating system. It can run on any hardware. There is no particular. We have got like 64 operating systems. It can run on all that operating systems and all the hardwares. I'm saying that. So it is platform independent and machine independent. It can run on all the hardwares. And it's a high level language. Okay. And also Python is a very simple language where you can connect with any database simple. In a very simple way, you can connect to a database. Not like if you talk Java programming. Java is never preferred for this data science, machine learning, AI, for all this. Java is never preferred. Why I'm saying, because Python and Java are the two major programming languages in the industry, but you have never seen Java used for implementing this data science, machine learning, deep learning, AI kind of these applications, right? It's never used. And Python connecting with the database, compulsory, you need to have some database connectivity, right? Database connection, even database connection, Python to connect with any database. Python itself is having its own database. Python supports all databases. Supports all databases means connecting to all databases. And also it has got its own database, SQLite 3. SQLite 3 means this is a database. It has got its own database. Can connect to any database, right? And
Sorry, you say the Python has its own database that it used to connect to other databases?
so Python has got its own database called SQLite 3. And also Python can also connect with all the other databases. Supports all databases and,
Okay, I understand.
has its own database. Own database.
Okay, thank you.
Our own database called
SQLite 3.
Generative.
SQLite 3 is the database, right? Means for lightweight, you can go with it, but have heavy inflow, right? You can go with other databases like Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, these things. And Python is a user-friendly or programmer-friendly. It is user-friendly or programmer-friendly programming. Because already I said, simple syntaxes, very less coding. Yes. If you take any other programming language task and if you implement in Python, not even 1/4 code it takes. Right. So this has the features of Python. Multiple programming features, interpreted line by line execution, many built-in libraries for each and every environment, whatever environment. So one more major thing in this, right? If you want to work with some files, data files, for example, even like .csv files, CSV files, for JSON files, JavaScript, or PDF files, or XML files or Excel files, any kind of files, right? Yes. Python as providing module. The name of the module itself is CSV. For name of the module itself is JSON. For Excel, XLRD, XLSX writer. Some modules are there with which you can easily read data from this. You can write data into this. Just by writing Python codes, we can create these files. We can read, we can write data into these files. So Python is providing modules for every file formats. For every file formats, it has got a module for this modules. In this 89,300 modules, it has got modules for these files, and also for each and every database. Python wants to connect with a database, right? So compulsorily a module is required. For Oracle, if you want to connect, it is providing cx_Oracle module. For MySQL, Python wants to connect. So it has got PyMySQL. For if you want, Python wants to connect with the SQL server, right? In this way, PyODBC is the module. So in this way, it has got modules for every database it is providing, for every file format it is providing, and for data visualizations, for data analysis, separate modules like numerical Python, pandas, matplotlibs, CP, scikit-learn, tensor. In this way, many modules and packages given by Python for working with this data science environment, right? So that's why I'm saying here, many built-in libraries, thousands of modules. Okay. See, Python can be used, Python can be used directly or by using Python can be used directly or using various UI. It can be used directly or by using various UI, user interface, graphical interface, I'm talking. Graphical interface. Python can be used directly or by using UI, graphical interface. Nothing but IDEs. IDE means generally we got integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. So various IDEs supported by Python. Various IDEs supported by Python. Jupyter Notebook. So just I'll be demonstrating, I'll be just providing you knowledge about all these IDs. VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, PyCharm, Spider. We have got many other IDs, but mainly in our course, I'll be showing you about Jupyter Notebook, I'll be showing you Spider, I'll be showing you VS Code and PyCharm. But we have got many other IDs like PyDev, Komodo, Spider, Eclipse.
What are the pros and cons between these different IDEs? Like, why would you choose one over another?
Yes, 1 second. So here you may ask, then why to go with these many IDs, right? Yes. Generally, Python is used for different environments today. Today, Python used by all the environments. Different environments uses different IDEs. Especially for data science environment, Jupyter Notebook is mostly preferred, Spider is mostly preferred, and VS Code is preferred. And for typical web applications creations, PyCharm is preferred, VS Code is preferred. For big data environment, right? Even Jupyter Notebook, Spider is preferred. In this way, different environments, they'll be using different IDEs. Different environments means whichever for big data environment, for data science environment, for web applications. So in different environments, they'll be using different IDEs. So for data science, the mostly used one is Jupyter Notebook. The mostly used IDE for data science environment, and this is Jupyter Notebook is the mostly preferred. So I'll just brief you about it and how to write the code within it and how to execute the code within it. Yes. And here,
Sir, sir,
yes.
yeah, like you mentioned to me, Python can be used directly or by using various interface. Then you have given me the interface name like graphic interface IDs. So what is the IDs like Jupyter Notebook, VS Code? These are the programmings or like what is that? Or the softwares?
So these are the IDs, means these are the UI interfaces we are supposed to download, we are supposed to install it. Within this, we are going to write the Python codes, Python program codes.
Like compilers.
Okay.
See, just Jupyter Notebook and this VS Code, all these are the integrated development environments, right? These are that where you are going to write the Python code, where you will be executing, perform, where you will write and where you can see the result everywhere. Where
So
you
like
can
the
see
way we use Eclipse in Java, right?
exactly.
Yeah, it's like compilers, I think, right?
Eclipse also supported for Python. Even Eclipse also supported for Python, but in our course we'll be using Jupyter Notebook a lot because for data analysis, if you want to see the graphs, analysis, everything, then and there it will display that. So these many IDs, any IDs for all these are the Python IDs where you want to write the Python code and see the results and many other features it is going to provide.
Okay.
And for developing web applications, right? PyCharm, VS Code for web applications, like if you want to give a request response kind of architecture, like web-based applications, for that PyCharm, where it is going some features related to web applications, more features related to like frameworks, other things it will be providing. So all these are required to be installed. All these are required to be installed in your system, in your local machine. Okay, all these are required to be installed in your systems. But even there are many students, right, where they'll be using their company laptops and they cannot be installing these things, right? For them, I'll also provide you another way where without, see, all these are required to be installed in our systems. Here, Python, first Python has to be installed. Python has to be installed in your systems. Python has to be installed in your systems. Later, these things, all these things has to be installed. The prerequisite for installing these things are Python should be installed. Python should be already been installed. Later, you need to install these things. These are the IDEs like UI interface, much more flexible features it will be providing, right? Okay. Now, so what are the two requirements? Two requirements to use Python. To use Python in your machine. First thing is install Python. First in Python has to be. Secondly, use
IDE.
IDE. Anyone IDE means generally we use Jupyter Notebook. But you may ask, I doesn't want to install this IDE. I doesn't want to install my Python. My system is a company-based system. They won't allow you to install any of the other things. But I just want to work through online. Just to work through online, all that I want to perform. So for that case, just 1 second. So for general queries, I'll be giving time for you. But if any queries, you can unmute and you can ask me. Okay. Yes. But nowadays, we are working on cloud. As also many of them asking whether you will be showing on. Nowadays, we are working on cloud. In generally in cloud, we have virtual machine. We have virtual machine. Can anyone say what is a virtual machine? If we have used virtual in cloud, we have virtual machine. Means even
Machine
Is
which
that
is
like RDPV machine?
virtually used
And
from
not
the
virtual
cloud.
machine? Mhm.
example, everyone have all knowledge about Google Drive. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, Google
Google
Drive, storing data in this Google Drive. See, we'll have virtual machines will be there where you can have the compute and we'll have the storage like Google Drive. Similarly in cloud, similarly in cloud, we will have machines. We will have machines. We'll have machines that too with Python installed. With Python installed. Called virtual machine. Called virtual machine. See, no need to wait up to the end of the session for asking any query. You can immediately unmute and you can ask. So I'm talking, see, Google Cloud has Python installed. Python installed. Called as
Google Colab.
yes,
Google
Google Colab. So Google Cloud has Python installed called as Google Colab. What Google Colab offers? What Google Colab offers? It offers a virtual machine. It offers a virtual machine. See, generally, this also won't take much time. Even if you want to work physically on your local machine, so just installing Python, it will take 20 seconds to install Python. For installing an IDE, to download and installing IDE takes 2 minutes time. So it won't take much time and not a very big thing installing Python in your system. It's no need of any configuration on any system, it can be installed. It offers a virtual machine. It offers a virtual machine. And that too in which it has a IDE. In which it has a IDE installed. It has a IDE installed. And that too, which IDE it is in which IDE is installed in it? In which it has Jupyter Notebook features. It has what? Jupyter Notebook. Okay. In which it has Jupyter Notebook. Again, in which Python is installed. In which Python is installed. So just how to get Google Colab? How to get Google Colab? So if you have a Google account, right? Just Gmail account is enough. We can get a Google Colab. So just I'll just show you everyone. You can just parallel. You can go. So just any one of you try to share the screen. Just I'll show you in your system only. Any one of you try to share the screen. Just I'm giving that. Okay, to share screen option I'm given. So someone asking a query, right? Colab. Sir, about this. Everything showed to us in the class. Yes, now I'm going to show you NagoorBabu, right? Yes, I'm going to show you in the class now itself. Now, just any one of you try to share your screen. Yes.
Hello, sir. Google Colab, it is a free or we need to provide some money?
to use it?
It's free.
It's totally free, right?
Yes. Anyone
Okay.
sharing the screen? Anyone sharing the screen? Yes. Amiya Manika sharing the screen, right? So others also you can do it parallelly, right? Go to Google. Go to Google, right? Just open Google and say Google Colab. Open google.com. Yes, Amiya Manika. Just open Google Colab. Just open google.com. Yes. Google.com you say yes. Enter. Google Colab, C-O-L-A-B. C-O-L-A-B. Click it. Now everyone, you will be getting this. Just hold on. Welcome to Google Colab. The first link, whatever you get, click on that. Click on that Google Colab, everyone. Yes. Now you will get it. What it is saying, everyone? What it is saying?
Open notebook example recent Google Drive, GitHub, and upload. The
Can
same
you
thing.
see? Can you see a new notebook? Opening a new notebook.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, you can see. Open a new notebook. Yes. At the bottom you can see. At the bottom you can see new notebook.
Opened.
But it is asking to sign in at the top right corner. You need to sign in to Google.
I think I'm already signed in. That's why.
If already signed in, right? If not a problem.
Yeah.
If it is asked to sign in, just give me your email address. That's it. Now you will get this, right? Everyone got it?
Yes.
Everyone got this, right? Yes. See, the main thing, the main advantage here is you can share your things, right? Share your notebooks. Share option is available at the top right corner. Gemini is available, right? AI tool. And just if you want, everyone got this or not?
Yes, I see.
Everyone,
I
try to
also
respond.
see that the file is in IPMB. Is this Jupyter?
Okay, now type something, print hello.
This is a question. Is this a Jupyter notebook?
Yes, it's a kind of Jupyter notebook features you'll be seeing in this collab.
Okay.
It's not a Jupyter notebook you can be seeing you can install, but same features of Jupyter notebook you can see here.
Okay.
In
So
collab.
there's an option coming called connect, and then I have to click on somewhere on connect a host runtime or change runtime type.
No, automatically it will connect. Just you start typing once something, right? Yes. So yes, print hello you say in double quotes. Print hello you can say in Python we use print statement for printing something. Just in double quotes print hello you can say, right? And you can execute it. That execute play button type you have got, right? That you can click to execute it. It will display the output here itself. Connected now. Can you see now it's connected? RAM and disk you can see at the top. Can you see RAM and disk at the
Yes.
top right corner, everyone? Now it got connected. A tick mark you got.
Yes.
A tick mark you got automatically when you execute the first thing.
Okay.
RAM and disk you got now. Tick mark. It got connected. See now, okay. Where it will be stored? You can see at the top right corner. You can untitled 0 is there. You can give some name to your notebook. Remove that item at the top left corner. At the top left corner, yes, untitled is there, right?
Okay.
Up, little bit up. That one. Click on that and give some name. Sample one. Sample, or you can say Python basics. You can say type it Python basics. Python basics. Dot. Let it, that extension should be there. Python basics single word you say.
All low caps.
Anything upper or lower. Python
Okay.
basics, that dot you can save with any name, sample or demo or test, any name we can save it. Generally where this will be saved means in your Google Drive it will be saved. You can see it in your Google Drive. Where this will be saved means in your Google Drive. Okay, fine.
Sir, what is IPNY? It is Python notebook, huh?
IPython notebook.
Okay.
IPython notebook. Collab notebooks, you can see there. Okay, can you see here? He has opened Google Drive. Can you see that in Google Drive? Python basic. You can where you can see it means he has opened the Google Drive. In the Google Drive, you can see. Now, stop sharing the screen. Just I'll come back. Otherwise, just to go back to your notebook. Otherwise, just to go back to your notebook. Right. Okay. For
Sir,
example,
can you, if you don't mind, sir, can you tell me again? Actually, I reached to welcome to collab. Then where, I mean, I'm not getting the green tick, which you are getting it here.
are you able to execute? Print hello.
No, actually, I just tried it. Welcome to collab. Okay. And then I clicked on it.
The play that execute play button, execute button, right? Run button. Can you see there?
Yeah, run all is coming.
Yes. It's not executing.
No, I can see the connect. Even I am already login. So
You're not getting the output print hello.
no, I'm not getting the. I mean, I'm stuck on the table of content somewhere. Welcome to content, getting
Table of
started, data.
table
Can
of
you
content. Table of contents. Okay, you can 1 second. Otherwise, can you share your screen?
I think you have to click on new
Because
playbook.
I have connected it with my mobile and then now I open my laptop.
Okay, fine. Just a second.
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah.
Now you are able to see. Yes.
Yeah. I have clicked on new notebook and then it came.
Okay.
But I can't see the green tick, which you said no on the screen. You can see the green tick. I can't see the green tick here on my screen.
Okay. Just share the screen that someone shared now. Amia Manik, right? Okay. Just click. Okay, not a problem. If it is executing, fine. It's fine. It's okay. Plus code is there. If you want one more cell, if you want to have one more cell, click on that plus code. Yes. Click on that. One more cell gets opened. If you want to write any code, just normal Python statements. X equal to 10, Y equal to 20. You say X equal to 10. Y equal to 20. Next line. Print X plus Y in the next line. In lowercase. Python is case sensitive. Uppercase, lowercase will be taken differently. Python is case sensitive. Print X plus Y. Print bracket. Who is sharing the screen?
me?
Okay. Okay. Print X plus Y. Execute it. X should be in lowercase, right? X. Yes. Execute it. Execute it. X plus 5. 30 is the output. Now you got that output 30. Open one more cell. In this way, one cell to another cell, there will be interconnectivity. It's
Sir, how you have done it like 30, like I have done print space. I have to give a space, yeah, bracket close and X.
No need of giving space there. Print bracket X plus Y, you can say. No need of
even X plus Y also no space in between.
Print X plus Y, no space. Print bracket X plus Y.
So like when I mentioned print bracket close, like small bracket x plus y, and then I have to enter my enter key, or how it would be execute.
That you need to, for executing, click on that run play button is there, right? On that.
Okay. Yeah, I got it now. Okay, I got it. Yes.
One more, click on that code. You can execute, keep on writing any number of codes here. For example, what is that text? What is the text, right? Click on the text once. Beside that code at the top, right? Click on the text. Text means if you want to write some text, okay. For example, some headings if you want to give. Sample program is type sample program. Yes. Sample program. Or if you want to give something, right, about what I'm going to do next in the next coming notebooks. Yes, shift enter. No. Sample program is enough. Don't write about all those. Sample program is enough. Just say shift enter.
Shift enter. You mean to say I have to just shift and enter, yeah?
Shift enter. Click on shift enter.
It's doing that syntax error invalid.
Now you can see sample program.
Invalid syntax.
Sample program you got. Everyone just, it is like a comment. You're just text means like just writing, saying something about that what the program you are going to write. Sample program. It's not executable, just something, right? Otherwise, you click on any other cell, automatically you can see that.
But no, come again, sir. Like you said, you just write sample program. So I have mentioned on it. I have mentioned here sample program. Okay, and then shift enter.
Shift enter at a time, you can say.
So, but I'm getting an error like sample program and syntax error, invalid syntax is changed.
Otherwise, you can click on any other cell. Once again, you write one more time you write, yes, Amir Malik, sample program.
Another code I have created, and then
sample program is sample code, you say.
Sample data, I am getting it. Sample code, you mean to say?
Anything, whatever you want, you can write it and just go to the next cell. Okay.
It will be all small letter or like?
See, this is just like a heading. What I'm going to write, just like a comment, nothing more than that. So if you want to work with some Linux kind of commands, right? Linux commands, right? Even you can say percentile, you can use percentile symbol, right? Yes, say percentile symbol. Not that, otherwise exclamatory mark use, exclamatory mark, ls, and execute. ls command, right? Where it lists out what is that? Sample data. ls command. If you want to work with the Linux kind of commands also, we can be able to work with the Linux. For example, one more, next cell, go to the next cell again. No, not code. If you want to execute something, it's code. Yes. Now say percentile pwd. So sorry, exclamatory mark, not percentile, exclamatory mark. pwd, present working directory, in which directory you are currently. So if you want to work with Linux commands also, you can work on. So if you want to work with any kind of Linux, is my voice clear to all? Is it very low or is it fine enough?
It's clear. It's clear.
Fine enough.
Okay, so just pwd means even if you want to work with any kind of Linux commands also, you can just work with that Linux commands. Okay, and even if you want to see what are the libraries of Python installed in my system, what are the libraries which are installed in my system also, you can just check it here. if you want any modules, if you're not available, so just exclamatory mark. Just use exclamatory mark.
Any code or directly I can do, right?
Exclamatory mark, pip, pip, pip. Exclamatory mark, pip, and pip, pip, space list, list list, right. It will list out all that. Execute it now, execute it.
Yeah, it's coming tornado.
Yes, yes,
T-
all that, what
TQDM.
Python, you can see all the Python related modules, right? Everything, whatever available, it will give a list. Scroll
So
down.
this is the module, sir. Tornado, TQDM.
All this, yes, all these are the modules, Python
Servlets.
modules. I said like 89,300 modules Python is providing for different environments, right? All these modules you are able to see, not all the modules, some specific modules it is showing, but if any module not available, you are supposed to download and install. You are supposed to download and install, right? Yes. Okay. So if you want to install any module here, just scroll down. Any module, for example, for data science, we are using some modules, NumPy, numerical Python, or pandas. Scroll down.
Just a second, sir. Just a second. Scroll down. Which one you are saying to download?
Open one more cell, I'm saying. Open one more cell.
Okay.
Plus code, you can say, plus code, you can say, open one more cell and exclamatory mark, pip install, pip install, pip, 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 space, install,
Install.
space, numpy, numpy, numpy.
NUMPY.
Yes. Now,
NumPy.
it is one of the Python module for data science environment. So if you just execute it, it will already available. If it is already available, it says requirement satisfied. Otherwise, it will download and it will install automatically. You don't need to do anything. Just run this cell, run it, run that. Requirement already satisfied. Already it is available. It is saying requirement already it is available. You can see in that list of that it is not. So
requirement already satisfied. Okay,
yes,
means it's already available.
It's already available in that list. But if for example, if you are asked to work with a particular version of NumPy, if you're asked to work with particular version of NumPy, right? So you can just open one more cell, right? Pip install.
But these are IDE, which you're talking about. These are IDE.
Pip install, just it is Google Colab. NumPy, pip install NumPy. Double equal to you say. Double equal to 1.18. Means by default, by 1.18. By default, NumPy installs one particular version, right? But if you want that particular version to be installed, install NumPy 1.18. If it will download it will install that particular version. Click it, execute it.
This is failing.
Now can you see it is downloading and it is installing, right? It is
So what you
downloading.
said, NumPy double equal to
1.18. If you want a particular version of a module to be installed, right?
1.18.
Yes.
It's failing on my side.
Okay.
No, I'm getting an error on this one.
Pip install already. Okay. So you can see one thing otherwise. Go to another cell. Okay. So pip. So already pip is available. That's why it is giving error. If you want pip uninstall, it is there. 1 second. 1 second. Stop it. Stop it. Now just to stop sharing your screen. Stop sharing your screen. Now I will share my screen. 1 second. So that in that way, just I was showing you some example, but I doesn't want to go deep now itself. See, pip install. If you want to install anything, right? Just exclamatory mark. Python has got many modules for data science. I'm saying NumPy is one, Pandas is one, Matplotlib, Panda, this Plotly. So if you want to install anything, pip install NumPy. Already you have got NumPy installed in your system. It's already available. If you want to uninstall again, pip uninstall. Very simple, right? Pip uninstall NumPy. Yes.
Okay, why exclamation is required? It is not a Linux command, right?
So yes, this exclamatory for even for pip. So if you want to use some commands, right, we'll be using that exclamatory for pip or ls or for anything, right?
Sir, if I'll do uninstall, it will uninstall?
It will uninstall. Okay, but don't uninstall now.
Oh, I did it.
Okay, if you want to uninstall again, if you want to say pip install NumPy again.
But it's asking proceed yes or no. So I will say no.
No.
For an uninstall. Yeah.
Okay. No, you say. So anytime if you want to uninstall, this is that. Anytime if you want to install particular version of NumPy, just give that 1.18. If it is not available, if it is already available. Okay, if it is not available, right?
Sir, I have one question.
And also if you want to, if you are using this version currently, if you want to upgrade to the latest version, pip install -upgrade NumPy, right? Yes. In this way, okay, but just as of now, I doesn't want to discuss these things, but just it's very simple installing any module I'm saying or uninstalling it, or if you want specific version to be installed. Just hope everyone got that Google Colab where you can work with it. Just will be seeing the basics installation. Means without installing any Python, without installing Jupyter Notebook directly, you can work with the things I'm saying. I didn't show anything on my system today. So just hope everyone has got the Google Colab to work with. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll just go with the technical and we'll just go with the practical things, right? First, I'll be showing you Python fundamentals and Python things, right? And later I'll show you NumPy for data analysis, Pandas for data analysis. I'll be discussing step by step. If you got everything will be interactive sessions. If you got any, everyone try to do parallelly. If you got any errors, you will be able to share the screen. Any other queries you got? And tomorrow the link will be changing. You are supposed to get enrolled for getting that link to your mail IDs. So already I said we have got a lot of syllabus we'll be discussing once we can check with this course content. So introduction to this data science, Python for data science, and NumPy. I'm talking about NumPy, which is used for Python for data analysis for numerical data, that is NumPy, and Pandas also for data analysis, and Matplotlib for data visualization, statistical methods, machine learning, time series, MLOps, big data, PySpark, NLP and text mining, and deep learning, TensorFlow, convolution neural network, Boltzmann machine, autoencoder, emotion and gender detection, LSTM, OpenCV, generative AI. From here onwards, generative AI, agentic AI, generative AI, prompt engineering, advanced prompt techniques, working with LLM, building LLM apps, building RAG systems, vector databases embeddings, end-to-end Gen AI applications, evaluating Gen AI applications, multi-model LLMs, agentic AI, architecture and design patterns, working with long chains, building AI agents, implementing agentic RAG, multi-agent systems, advanced agent development with AutoGen, AI, building AI agents with no low code tools, right? These 40 modules will be discussed in brief in depth. So yes. And
So
also,
once the fee will be, sir, once I will submit the fee, then I will get the code, how it will be shared to me?
1 second, I'm coming to it. So here, each and every live session video from tomorrow onwards. So you'll be getting the payment link, right? So link will be changing. You'll be getting the link to your Gmail. See, can you see a message in the Zoom chat, right? A big message is given by this online team. In that the payment details, the GPay, Google Pay or Phone Pay details, account details, and their contact details. And if you have missed the previous session, these details, content, course content details, everything are provided in that. Can just, and also one more, can you see there? Can you see they have kept one note there. Once you're done with the payment, forward the screenshot of your payment to the mail ID DurgaSoft online training, DurgaSoft online training @gmail.com. With what mail ID you are sharing that, right? To the same mail ID, they will be forwarding you the link. The link, right? See, sometimes the link you'll be seeing in inbox. Sometimes the link will be in the spam folder. Check all that folders in your Gmail. If you have not received that link, you can call on those numbers. So I said from tomorrow onwards, you will be getting this session video every day. One video will be added to your Google Drive. Means a link will be forwarded to that link. If you open that link every day, one video will be added to that. Clear soft copy of the notes you will be getting. Tomorrow, WhatsApp group, a separate WhatsApp group. Tomorrow will be added to the WhatsApp group. And assignments and tasks and the case studies will be provided. Interactive and hands-on sessions, interview questions around 300, and projects like 3 projects. And also to have in-depth knowledge on this Python. Later, whenever you are free, you can go to the Python videos. Some 100 videos of Python will be forwarded. Even if you want to have deep dive into Python, right? So yeah, you need to keep interacting in the sessions. If any queries, you can keep asking the queries. Even for that, WhatsApp group is kept even through chat, through Zoom chat, or directly you can unmute, you can ask that queries. All the sessions are interactive. So just today, just to have knowledge of basic Python and what it is for, and working with, even if you doesn't want to install Python and those things, Jupyter Notebook in your system, you can make use of Google Colab, where you can install any modules. We can work with the code. So today I didn't discuss anything about the coding related things. If you feel that that pip install that NumPy, just later I'll be discussing in brief. About this, everything show to us. Nice. Okay, see that Python.
Sir, how to save my file like Python collab? How to save it?
See, automatically it will be saved into your Google Drive, right? So whatever you do, automatically it will be getting saved.
No, I mean tomorrow if I need to open it, so again same process. I will go to Google and Google Colab. That's it. It will open.
Recent will be there. What is that? Some recent will be there, right? Can you see?
Recent.
Google Drive, Google Drive will be there. Recent will be there. Once whenever you open it, recent will be there. Recent option will be there. Once you close it, once you open it, you can see recent files.
Okay.
Can you see?
No, I can't find it till now.
Anyone try to share the screen?
I'm in tools. Restart session, clear, restart session and run all.
Anyone, recent. Not this, not in a Google Drive, not in your Google Drive. Open your Colab. In your Google Drive, you'll be able to see, and in your Colab.
So in the collab file.
In this Colab, open a Colab. Go to your Colab. In the Colab, whenever you are saying new notebook, before that you can see. Okay, tomorrow once again I'll show you those things, sir.
Yeah, in file I can get new notebook in Drive, open notebook, but I can't see recent here.
See Tarun, right? Okay, 1 second.
Yeah, Tarun.
Open, okay, Google Colab you open.
Okay.
1 second. Can you see in the screen, right? On the screen? Colab,
no.
Open Colab. Welcome to Colab, you say?
Yeah.
Recent, can you see the recent?
Yeah, yes.
In that Python basics are there, like right side.
Yes.
Right side, yes. You click on that. Okay, it will be open. Okay. Fine. Okay, what you did, everything you can see there. If you want
can
to
you
open,
please break down this course content, like how many months for Python, how many months for data science, how much time you take for generative? Just briefing.
So stop sharing the screen, right? Yes. See, yes. Say 1 second. 2 months for this data science, 3 months for generative AI. AI topics, I'll be spending 3 months. And for this data science topics, I'll be taking 2 months. And for Python, I'll be taking next 10 days, I'll be discussing 8 to 10 days, I'll be discussing on Python. Means pandas, including pandas, NumPy. Okay.
After 10 days, you will be starting machine learning, right?
Statistics and machine learning.
Sir, what are the list which you told me, pip list, where the panda and NumPy? What are those like NumPy? I'm not a non-IT person, so I need to understand what is NumPy, what is panda, what are those? I mean, those are the languages or the software?
See one thing, if you see the course content, right, in that first you will be learning about Python. Next we'll be discussing about NumPy. At that time, I'll be briefing you about NumPy, right?
Okay.
Can you see here? Module number 3 is NumPy.
Yes, I can see. Yeah.
Python for data science we'll be discussing. After that, NumPy, what is NumPy and what is pandas? You can see here, next is pandas. I'll be discussing about it, right? At this time, I cannot brief you about those.
Okay. No, sure.
Sir, Python libraries, right? As of Python libraries. And also Matplotlib, Python for visualizations. For all these things, for the next 10 days, right? I'll be spending time for that. Next, we'll be going with statistics, machine learning, the actual 4 things. Yeah. So this 10 days means this pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, all this I'll be discussing before I go with statistical methods for data science. Right? Okay. Fine. Okay. Get enrolled for getting this videos, getting the notes and getting added to the drive. Yes.
Okay. Vijay, I got enrolled, but honestly, I'm receiving so many emails. Yesterday I got like 40 emails, and today I got like some 30 emails. I think something is wrong somewhere. The same thing. So if you can please tell them to stop sending such volumes of emails.
No, emails from DurgaSoft.
Yes.
DurgaSoft from emails. Everyone getting the same?
Yeah, even I'm also getting at a time like 30, 40 emails.
Yes, even I am getting
in a single day emails.
Yeah, in 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay.
We are getting so many invites.
Okay.
The moment we will log in, the moment we will join the link and email start coming,
Yes.
It's very generous emails.
Okay. I'll just intimate them, right? Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Mr. Vijay, I mean, I really need your support on every step because I'm very new. And I think the other people are like IT people. So I need support from everyone if they can support me as well to understand all these things.
See one thing, whatever WhatsApp group is created by me to have interaction with, not from the DurgaSoft, I am creating a WhatsApp group from my side to have direct interaction with the students.
Okay. If I need to talk to you, sir, so it will be by WhatsApp or how it would be because I'm not in India.
So you can use WhatsApp and you can give WhatsApp messages. And if any time I'll be giving the time for you, at that time you can just interact.
Okay.
For messaging means okay, anything. So in the WhatsApp group, any queries asked, anybody will be answering. I'll be answering for any query you ask, right? Yes. Any errors you got also you can keep in that WhatsApp group. Anybody will be answering, I'll be answering it. So it will be interactive technical discussions in the WhatsApp group.
Sir, Gopi here. I will tell one thing to Tarun. Tarun, I am also joined one Python course before this. So what you need to do, sir will tell, right? After that, you just practice. If you have any doubts, right, you can inform. That's it. I am also new to this Python, but I learned 3 months back joined course. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So everything will be understandable from, right? Everything step by step, everything I'll be showing. Only thing is it will be a little bit time taking because everything you need to understand the things. But okay, so that's why I said it's a 5 months course. Fine. So get enrolled for getting the link from tomorrow. The link will be changing each and everything. Advanced AI will be discussing in this course, all the topics. Fine. Thank you all for your time. If you're with the queries, yes. Fine. Meet you tomorrow, same time at 9 o'clock tomorrow, but with different links. Fine.
Okay.
The course will be.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.